Hey guys, welcome back! Today we have an unboxing and a review of the Ultimea Nova S40 Ultra Thin Soundbar with Subwoofer. This is one of Ultimea's latest products. I've been using two of their other soundbars as well for almost 2 years and I'm pretty happy with the overall performance. So let's dive in and check this new Nova S40 sound system. The highlight here is the ultra slim design of the soundbar, thanks to which you can not only use the sound system with your TV setup, but with your gaming PC setup as well. Alright, so here's everything we have in the package and let's see what we got. First there's the power adapter, the wall mounting kit along with wall brackets and all the necessary screws. Next we have the optical cable and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack. We also got a good quality HDMI cable if you choose to use the HDMI ARC output from your TV, which I highly recommend. The HDMI ARC output gives the best possible audio quality and it offers support for Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Atmos and up to 7.1 channels of uncompressed audio. Next we got the infrared remote control. It has quick access buttons for all the source options and the 3 sound modes as well, which is a really convenient feature. A quick setup guide is also included. And finally guys, we have the main event, which is the Ultimea Nova S40 soundbar itself. Starting with the design, this soundbar is very slim, measuring 40 cm in length, 8 cm in width and only 3.8 cm in height. The front of the soundbar is dominated by black metal mesh. The LED display is also visible. The top, bottom and part of the back are finished in glossy black, which catches a lot of fingerprints but also looks rather good. The whole design of the soundbar would blend seamlessly with any modern interior. Moving on to the backside, we got 2 screw hanging holes for direct wall mounting. At the back we also have all the ports as well. From left to right, here's the 3.5mm aux port, the HDMI ARC port, a USB-A port, an optical port, coaxial port, the subwoofer out and the power in port. Add the Bluetooth connectivity and we definitely got a wide range of audio inputs at our disposal. We have 2 rubber feet. On the right there are the physical control buttons. We have the power button, mode selection button, the volume controls and the track selection button. Now let's take a look at the subwoofer that also comes with the soundbar. It features a 5.25-inch driver and it is definitely going to provide that extra bass, taking your audio gaming experience to a whole new level. We'll test the bass it provides in just a minute. But first, setting up the Ultimea Nova S40 soundbar is pretty straightforward. I've connected the power adapter and the subwoofer to the soundbar. First, I wanted to test the Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity and the audio quality it provides. You can set the source to Bluetooth from the remote control and the Nova S40 should be visible in available devices from our mobile phone. The following clips are not altered in any way, so let's test the audio quality and the bass level. Now, even using wireless connectivity, this sound is very clear, crisp, and the bass is quite punchy. I wasn't able to reach max volume since even at 50% volume the loudness was great and I didn't feel the need for higher volume. So next guys, I'll test the Nova S40 with my gaming setup as well. As you can see, I've placed the soundbar below my TV. It doesn't take up too much space, which is really nice. This subwoofer is here on the left side, and let's test the bass levels and overall sound quality with some GTA 5 gameplay.
You got any extra money? Please.
Now overall the mids and high tones are crisp and even the lower frequencies have a satisfying punch thanks to the subwoofer. Explosions, gunfire and other sound effects are reproduced accurately and the soundbar can handle dynamic audio pretty well. So all in all, considering that this is a budget-friendly solution, the audio quality in bass is actually quite good. The Nova S40 retails for $79.99, but if you use our discount code, you can get it as cheap as $59.99. And if you're on a budget and want to give your gaming or entertainment setup a bit more punch in terms of audio, this is a good option. Purchase links and discount code can be found in the video description. Thank you for watching guys, see you next time!